Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Friends. So today I'm just getting back home in town, and I really wanted some neck bone soup. I actually grew up on this with my grandmother. She always used to make neck bones, and then if we had extras left over, like in a day or two, she would turn it into soup. So what you'll be needing is neck bones. Now, if you don't eat pork, I never tried it with turkey neck bones, but it possibly can work. I don't know. So, neck bones, you're going to need mixed veggies, potatoes, diced tomatoes, a little bit of marinara. I like to put a little bit of marinara in mine, which is basically like tomato sauce. I'm going to do chicken bouillon because I don't have any chicken broth. And to be honest, if you don't have chicken broth, I like to use the bouillon because it stretches a long way than broth. Onion powder, garlic, seasoned salt, and black pepper. So let's get started. Okay, so I already put my my neck bones into the pot, and it was already hot. I'm just adding in that seasoned salt, and then I'm going to add in my chicken bouillons, and I'm gonna do about 5 of these. And I like to just spread them out in the pot. Don't plop them down everywhere. So I'll put them like on the edges. And then one in the middle. Okay, and then you're gonna go ahead and add your garlic. And your onion powder. And then a little bit of your black pepper. And I love to use fresh crackling ground pepper. It does have a different taste to it. And I get all my seasonings mostly from Sam's Clubs too, you guys. So yeah. Alrighty, so I'm gonna let this boil, and I'll come back and check on it in about 2 hours. Okay, so my neck bones has probably been boiling for about 2 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my diced tomatoes. And then I'm gonna add in the marinara. Because if you don't want the neck bone soup at that point, you won't put this in. You would just simply just keep letting it boil. But because I am turning mine into a soup, I have to add it. And now I'm going to add in my potatoes so that they can cook in the inside of these. And it's typically going to take it probably about 30 minutes. Because you know, potatoes have to cook. I don't want them to be soggy, but I want them to at least cook. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the top back on it and let that boil. Alrighty, now that has been boiling, the potatoes are pretty much done. I'm going to go ahead and add in my mixed veggies. I just got these from my local farmer's market. It's just a mix of veggies itself. You can use any kind that you would like though. You want to add the veggies in last because these don't take long to cook. And realistically, I do like to cut the fire off at this point and put the lid back on, because in this Dutch oven pot, it'll still continue to like cook. So yeah, I'm going to mix this around, let this simmer down, and it's pretty much done. And I'll show you guys once I plate it. But I'm probably going to let this sit for a minute because I do like my soups to sit for a minute so that all the flavors and things can well combine. And then I'll be back. Alrighty, and I made some cornbread as well, and this is butter and honey mixed together and just melted down, and I'm just going to brush my cornbread with it. Alrighty, and this is it, the neck bone soup. This is traditionally a wintertime meal, but I was craving it, so I made it. And I have it with a side of cornbread. Thank you guys for tuning in.